Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Finally, fall is here. Fall is probably my most favorite season of the year. The chill weather, the changing colors of the leaf, the cozy vibes, everything just makes me so happy when I think about it. For fall, I love taking a walk in the early morning, holding a warm cup of coffee. And let me know what is your favorite activities in fall. And also, fall is such a huge inspiration for me when it comes to art. Therefore, today, for the painting session, I decided to sit down and paint a beautiful fall landscape. So let's get started. First, let's talk supply. For paper, I'll be using the Arches paper and I cut it into 4 by 6 inches, and it also has a rounded corner, so it's gonna look like a postcard. And for paint, I'll be using my Winsor & Newton Cotman palette as always. And I'll be using the red velvet brush for today painting. And I also need a pencil to have a light sketch in the beginning. And 2 cups of water and tissue for blotting. First, I'll be using my spray water bottle to activate the paints. If you're like me and you keep all the paints in a palette, so I highly recommend that you also have a spray bottle. It's very convenient. You can spray whenever you need to activate the paints. Now I will start picking up my pencil and doing a very light sketch. This is very light and very rough. You don't need to put too much detail since it is only a sketch, and the purpose of it is just to act as a guideline when you put on the colors later. I also put my reference photo on the screen as well so that you can look at it and paint along with me. This is the photo that I downloaded from a website called Unsplash. This is free to use, so feel free to use it if you like this photo. After the sketch is done, I will mix some color and start painting. If you want to send a postcard to friends and family in fall, I think this is gonna be a great idea. The whole painting took me only from 15 to 20 minutes. If you watch until the end, you will see that this painting is pretty much easy and doable. It's not too difficult, even if you are a beginner. And plus, this is just a loose painting, so I'm not really doing a realism style, so it's gonna be very easy even if you are a beginner. So if you think that you want to do it, I highly suggest that just go for it. Don't worry too much. However, if you're really not in the mood for painting, that's okay too. Just sit back, watch me paint, and listen some cozy and chill music with a warm cup of coffee or tea. And I really hope that this video will inspire you and give you some idea for your art, or at least it's gonna help you relax and calm down after a long week of working or studying.